I think we're live, and I think you're going to like this. The AI kind of aspect of creating books has evolved quite a bit, and it's pretty amazing technology. I'm Andrew Martyr from marketingsharks.com. This freshly released today is called True Crime Vault from Alessandro Zamboni. So True Crime Vault sounds like a show on TV, and that is not what this is. This is an AI system to create. They use true crime, so real crimes, and then they take it, as they call it, true crime adjacent. So they're going to make it based on real life or fictional, inspired by real life, that kind of thing. What you're going to love about this, is two things. One is, I start at the finish, it's $17. So this is a whole system for $17. You can get some upgrades, but for $17, you're cranking out crime novels. And then the other part you're going to really be blown away by is that it does so many great things. I'm going to go inside here and show you. I will say, click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is the product box you're looking at. Click that. Boom. You can grab it for $17. A bit of a description. And at the bottom of that, the upgrades. So $17 for the front end offer. And then you can get 1,000 more prompts and so on. They have different upgrades that are listed there. And then you can click the product box at the bottom. But let's go inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about when I'm all excited about what this whole system does. So there, $17, like I said. He's going to go on about how great they are. Somewhere down here, we're going to get to this, which is what AI does. So look at this. One chapter, stop. Writes only one chapter at a time, then stops completely until you go, keep going. Rereads everything before every chapter. So it continues to use the character names, the facts, the documents, the red herrings already deployed, all of that kind of stuff. Maintains a private case file, begins closing threads at chapter 15. No new major characters, no new subplots. They're slowly closing. Oh, that one didn't work. That guy wasn't the killer, and so on. And then lastly, chapter 20, so you got a 20 chapter book being created, is a real ending. Every major question gets answered, no cliffhangers, no trailing off, a resolution that rewards the reader. And we'll go down a little further. That's a full book. So here's the beginning of this, which is, 500 prompts. So these are 500 case briefs. Do you think you can make a few books out of this? Spanning 20 different categories: cold cases, forensic puzzles, missing persons, cult investigations. You get it, true crime. 500 potential novels. And away you go, different categories. I'll leave that for you to scroll through. And what I want to get down to is you're not left hooked. They're making money selling those. And I want to get down to where, yes. So they're going to generate the cover too. So the cover is going to be generated. The book is going to be generated. You're going to have your hand in there every chapter going, yeah, keep going. And that kind of thing. And your whole 9 yards, $17. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can just click the product box. It was at the top. Alessandro Zamboni, along with Ike Paz, has been doing these kind of prompts to create books in all sorts of different ways. When you're at my site, if you're to go, there's a search box in the upper right-hand corner at marketingsharks.com. You search Alessandro Zamboni or just Zamboni or Ike Paz, Ikepaz. They've worked together, and now I think they seem to be sort of more separate, creating prompts for all sorts of books: romance, westerns, everything you can imagine. True crime is one of the cool ones. I think that's what people, when they talk about writing a fiction book, they want to be the next Agatha Christie. They want to do that kind of thing. So this creates it for you. You can create a book today and have it up on Kindle, being sold, being reviewed, being loved. Hey, when's the next one coming out? Within a couple of days. And that's not that you're doing anything for those next couple of days. You're waiting to get approved by Kindle, and they look at your book, and they look at your, make sure your membership, not membership, but profile page and everything is lovely. And then they go, you're approved and you're up. So $17 gets you, let's say by Friday, you're producing, your book is up on Kindle, being pushed by Amazon. Great book, exciting, really good. And you'll have your finger in on making it. And you're going to absolutely love this. And obviously, there's 500 prompts. You can do more than one. You get that. $17. Click the link. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Martyr from marketingsharks.com. It's called True Crime Vault. And put up by the fellow at the bottom there, Alessandro Zamboni. Go check it out.